Hi guys, this is unboxing and installation video for VVUP Fold 2 case. So let's unbox it. So as you open the box, here are the components. First, the case itself and cleaning pack and extra sticker for any other purposes. So first, get your phone and remove the cleaning pack and wipe down all the edges and all the area that you'll be applying your case. And get the front case and remove the sticker film here and on this side, and put your phone like this, and first push with the edges and the corner of the edge first and the center edge like this. And be careful here, hold it and get the edge first again and center it like this, and yes, press along the edge like this. Then your front case is installed. For the back, take out the sticker film again. And the same thing with the front, the corner first, and press it firmly. And your beautiful Fold 2 case is installed. Now you can enjoy your phone. So the benefit of this case is that the grip is really nice and firm. And for the protection for your phone, like unlike other hard cases, when you drop it, it's kind of worrisome, but for this, it's like rubber, so it will surely protect your phone. So that's it for the installation and unboxing. But here's the one thing. You might be worried about the sticker when you remove the case, but the sticker does not leave any marks on your phone, so that's a good thing. So when you want to reinstall your phone case, get the sticker out, which is included in the box. Put the sticker from the top like this, and do the same thing when you install the case. Yeah, and you need to cut the sticker here, and you have to put it here. And I will skip that step. So same thing again, corner, and press the edge and hold it, press, and center it nicely. There you go. And press along the edge. That's it. Now you can enjoy your phone again. That's it. Thanks for watching.